Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on Kwik Trip. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kwiktrip.okta.com/login/do-login. Then press enter and this will take you into the employee portal for Kwik Trip right away. Now just type in your credentials to proceed forward. Enter your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Kwik Trip employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the reset my password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Kwik Trip employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.